Winter. Why do you think you want to walk? I'm going to switch in the car now.
Look at this, the tree up there. That's the one I was talking about.
That one is here.
Yeah.
Almost looks like an old one.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one, but look at that one there. Even though
Watch out.
The railway. It's nice.
Yeah, there's nobody on the other side of the road. They insist on running on this side. Nobody. Yeah.
Look how it's nice. Right in the...
Yep. See, it is Kalk Bay. I thought it's so.
You said Kalk Bay, but that's the little places next to each other. Kalk Bay Theatre.
There's the ocean over here. Keep the short leash on him, hon.
Thank you. Okay.
Who's this?
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Muito bem. Just go slowly. Just going around. Hey, hon.
Hi, everyone.
Just going around. Station over there. Our last thing in Cape Town, tomorrow we'll be up in Johannesburg. It's kind of sad, but you know what, we're having a great time.
We are
Just had an
indeed.
awesome day.
Loving it here. Look at the grapes. Did you see?
Yeah. And Benjamin did very well.
He did
Yeah.
awesome. I even got him to puke.
Yes. Well done, Steve. I felt better after that, actually.
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen this Kalk Bay?
This is the harbour.
I photographed this place one time because of this Cape to Cuba, and I had a Cuban friend who was a female, and I tagged her and she unfriended me, and because I guess she was married, and I guess her,
I thought you were hitting.
maybe her husband, yeah, somebody in the church. I mean, it's like, oh well, not worried about it.
I have people that friend me on Facebook that I don't even know who they are. I'm like,
She'll ask
why do
me,
you want to be my
do you know
friend?
them? I'll say no. And always, anyway.
Is Facebook still big in your community?
I think so.
It is.
Yeah, I think so. Look, for us, it's really connecting with family that way.
That's it.
Facebook.
found out though with the ultra high def, you cannot zoom in. You're stuck at this one focal length. Oops. That'll test the stabilization. See, that's my kind of jogging, downhill.
Yes, such a healthy size coming up early too.
Yeah. But is he tall?
Are we going back through Chapman's Peak or not?
How many centimeters is
No,
it?
we're going. Chapman's Peak's on the other side of this mountain.
Okay.
Yeah, it was 53.
Whoa.
I've done it multiple times.
That's really tall. Then.
I'll see.
Trouble is, I'm filming into the sun.
But
right
I was
now.
full term, or a week after full term.
Yeah, he was a whole week after.
Oh, so he was 41 weeks.
They had to induce me because you know they grain so quickly in the end. So they had to induce me.
I mean, Benjamin is 42 weeks, you know.
Yeah.
You were born at 41 weeks.
Benjamin was.
Benjamin at 40 weeks, he was 4 kilograms.
Here we go, I'm filming. I remember this many times actually because of the huge beach down there. Huge. What is it? Musenberg?
Beach.
Oh, wow.
We went down there the first time I visited. We went to Musenberg.
It was such a nice day.
So beautiful. It's just so
Look at that. Beach is awesome.
Quite hazy today.
Yeah.
I think it's because there's the cold air.
I should have Eileen filming. On the wrong side. Look at the river. I love that. Oh, a cyclist's dream for South Africans, a nightmare for me. This hill coming
Oh,
up.
apparently they spoke.
I'd probably get off and walk up.
And he doesn't know when he's coming back. Like, how would she go back to Reckless to stay there? Did you?
Why don't you just say, oh, actually,
What did she die about? Was this last night?
Who's this?
What happened last night? Just
in the relationship.
He knows that he doesn't want to marry her, but he likes her, he says. And then I think she feels, she really feels that he isn't going to marry her, and she feels it, but obviously he doesn't actively say it, he's still evaluating. And then I think when she gets drunk, all of those always comes out, like, you don't care about me, you don't love me. I understand her as well. Imagine if you're 33. You don't want to not be with someone who doesn't know if you're the one or not, because when are you going to have a child? Does she think I'm the one? Yeah, I think so. But she will never admit it until he is in a place to say that he doesn't want to.
Is that a
Really
park?
does love him. It's just that.
It's beautiful, whatever it is.
golf course.
Ah, of course.
Of course.
Yes.
Yes.